Hey, want to go ahead and show you all a little bit about our mid-size folder. Great little knives. Like any of our knives, it's going to come super sharp. So you can see it just, it just shreds that paper. A couple of things on this knife. First, I'm going to try and get it to focus on the blade without a thumbprint there. Come on. Okay, so if you look at it down toward the edge, you can see that there's a line that goes right there, and if you can't see it here, you'll be able to see it in the pictures for sure. So this knife is made from VG10, which is one of the new super steels. And with VG10, it's roughly 30% stronger if you have a VG10 core, which is basically like a sandwich. The VG10 is in the middle and is in the cutting edge, and then there's other stainless steel surrounding it. This knife, the only thing I don't like about this knife is it is right-handed only, which I find rather irritating since I'm left-handed. Nonetheless, if you're a lefty, then this won't be the right one for you. It is a liner lock as opposed to a frame lock, but it locks up really well. I have no concerns. This knife is just a really high quality knife. Everything about it is high quality, and it's a good knife. It is going to tip the scales at about 3 3/4 inches long with a blade that is going to be about 2 3/4 inches long. This knife will last and last. All of our knives, of course, have a lifetime guarantee. Can't go wrong with this knife. Well, you can't go wrong with any of our knives, because if it's not right, we won't sell it. And then here's another one with some different material. This is Kieranite lava. Kind of interesting. I grew up watching westerns, and so I like materials more like the armadillo scales here, or horn, or antler, or bone. Though I'll have to tell you, what's really popular is this Kieranite, and this is just one style of Kieranite. They've got probably 20 different ones, and we can do this knife in any any handle material. They're called scales. The handles are called scales. We can do it in any scale material. Okay, I've talked enough. Thanks so much.